Special focus. Many school children in Delhi have a dangerous commute every day as private school vans stuff too many of them in one vehicle. Often drivers don't have the clearance from the transport department. Many vans have no emergency kits and children are even made to sit on top of CNG cylinders. Sonal Mehrotra reports.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Yes, 25 children in one school van, which is supposed to be a 8-seater. That's the condition of most private school vans in Delhi. And that's not all. Most of these drivers do not have their clearance from the transport department or the police, clearly in violation of law. Over 2 days, NDTV visited many schools, only to find out a dangerous reality that many children live every day.
कितने बच्चे लेकर जाते हैं भैया?
13 बच्चे।
13 बच्चे?
अरे
13 तो
चलो यहाँ क्यों करते अच्छे लग रहे हो
भैया, सच बताओ 13 बच्चे लेकर जाते हैं?
13 बच्चे। अरे बंद कर इसको। चलो
13 से ज़्यादा बच्चे लेकर जाते हैं? हाँ?
कर लो।
13 से ज़्यादा बच्चे?
बात करो, इनसे बात करो।
आराम से, आराम से, आराम से, आराम से भैया, बच्चों की लग जाएगी।
जवाब दो।
We met this driver here who said that he's taking only 13 kids, but let's do a head count, and the buses and this cab here is only half full. If you can do a head count, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 kids already in this cab and many more, and there's a capacity here as well. What's more dangerous is the fact that this last seat that you see where he's got kids going, there's a CNG cylinder right underneath that, and kids here complain that over time, at times it heats up, there are fumes, and also let's show you the condition of this cab. There is no fire extinguisher. There is no first aid kit, and on top of it, it's a private cab holder. This driver who's been rowdy with us, or let's just show you, it's a private cab, not the one sanctioned by the government. And it is cab drivers like these who are overloading people, overloading kids, and most dangerously around these areas. And when we question him, just look at the way he's manhandling kids right now. And we want to understand, भैया आपका तो सैंक्शन भी नहीं है गाड़ी भी नहीं सैंक्शन है, बच्चे बैठे नहीं हैं, आप कैसे गाड़ी चला रहे हैं? बच्चे बैठे नहीं हैं, आप गाड़ी कैसे चला रहे हैं? क्या छोड़ के चले जाएंगे? And just look at the condition. There are at least, I can tell you, 25 kids in this cab right now, and in this cab, which is clearly illegal. It does not have a regular government permit and is also working on a private number. It's the same driver, I want to show you, it's the same driver who's been taking kids. And just look at the way buses, kids are just jumping in, and in a rush to get himself, you know, in this entire way in which he might be exposed, he's just scooted the bus away without caring. आप लोग ने कभी कंप्लेन नहीं करा इन बस ड्राइवर्स के बारे में किसी को भी?
इससे करेंगे कंप्लेन। स्कूल वाले तो ये कहते हैं हमारी प्राइवेट वैन है, तुम जानो। हम तो स्कूल बस वाले देखेंगे ना, वो तो प्राइवेट वैन कौन देखता है।
बहुत ज़्यादा रूड लैंग्वेज यूज़ करते हैं, और कभी कभी मतलब इतनी गर्मी होती है और इतने बच्चे साथ में बिठाते हैं कि आपको क्या बताएं। 25 ऐसे 15-20 बच्चे ऐसे ही ठूस देते हैं।
A journey from home to school and back fraught with danger. But why exactly do parents take such a big risk?
100% majburi. We are forced to bear that one. Otherwise, it's not a cab. It's a torture cab.
Is the school not providing?
No school buses is available. No school cab is available. So what to do? What to do?
Despite these blatant violations, the Delhi Traffic Police managed to challan only 1,500 school transport vehicles in the last year alone. According to government's own figure, one child died and over 70 were injured in school van accidents in the last 3 years. a figure which is constantly on the rise.
Traffic police has been trying its best to ensure that all the traffic norms of school cabs are followed. But the responsibility is also of the school and the parents.
So with thousands of maxi cabs out on the streets of national capital, how do you ensure the one ferrying your kid is the safe one? Watch out for these particular signs. Now there should be a yellow strip right across your white maxi cab with the details of the driver right here at the rear end. The number, the commercial number, yellow color plate should also start with 1K. This means that both the cab and the driver have gone through proper background checks and have thus got a verification and a license from the government. Also on the outside, watch out for these lights right on top of the carrier, which is supposed to have school bags. These are supposed to be switched on every time a kid hops in or hops out of the cab. Now on the inside, significantly, watch out for these two things. One, the fire extinguisher to be used in case of emergency, and also the first aid kit. Apart from this, ensure that the driver has SOS details of all the gadgets. And also, remember to take feedback about the driver's behavior from your kids to ensure that he's in safe hands while he's away from you and traveling on the very disturbing roads of the national capital. In New Delhi, with camera person Arif, Sonal Mehrotra, NDTV. The grandfather there in the story is saying very categorically that he himself admits that these are not school cabs, these are torture cabs. That's the word he's used. And significantly, a lot of parents we interacted with did say that they do not have a choice. The schools do not provide for all last mile connections and they have to depend on them. Otherwise, what do they do? In a similar manner, when we went to the traffic police, they told us that, listen, we are doing, all we can do is challan these vehicles, and that's what they're doing. So where does the buck stop really? We are joined by the Transport Minister, Mr. Gopal Roy. Sir, अगर आप 16 दिसंबर का केस देखें, अगर आप ऊबर कैब का केस देखें, तो ये दोनों केसेस इसीलिए हुए, बहुत ही हॉरिफिक क्राइम्स हैं, क्योंकि बैकग्राउंड चेक नहीं हो पाया था ड्राइवर्स का. अगर ऐसे केसेस में हमने देखा ऑलमोस्ट एवरी सेकंड कैब जो बच्चों को लेकर जा रही है वो ब्लेटेंटली ट्रैफिक को वायलेट कर रही है. ऐसे में एवर्ट करने के लिए किसी भी इवेंचुअलिटी को क्या कर रही है दिल्ली सरकार?
देखिए, अभी इस तरह की खबरें आ रही हैं कि स्कूल में इस तरह का मनमानापन हो रहा है. अभी जो आपने अभी स्टोरीज बनाई है उसका भी हम अध्ययन करेंगे और भी जो हमारे पास कंप्लेंट हैं उन सबके आधार पर जल्द ही हमारी सरकार ट्रांसपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट और ट्रैफिक पुलिस की एक ज्वाइंट हम मीटिंग करेंगे. जो अभी आपके रिपोर्ट में जो लोग आई है तत्काल उनको नोटिस जारी करेंगे, एक्सप्लेनेशन लेंगे और उसके साथ साथ पूरे दिल्ली के अंदर जितने स्कूल में इस तरह की वैन चल रही हैं उनको भी हम उस मीटिंग में एक ज्वाइंट प्लान बना करके और इसकी मॉनिटरिंग के लिए, इसके रेगुलेशन के लिए एक एक्शन प्लान जरूर बनाएंगे जिससे कि हमारे बच्चे सुरक्षित तरीके से विद्यालय जा सकें और उनके पेरेंट्स, उनके माँ बाप भी उनको सुरक्षित रूप से उनको हौसला रहे कि हमारा बच्चा गया है तो वो सुरक्षित होगा.